Hi everyone. Today I am going to install Logix Pro, that is PLC simulation software. Already I have given you the PLC simulation software RAR file, which can be extracted and installed on your system. Okay. Uh, if you don't have it, you can go to the Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Over there, I have put this particular RAR file. I have already downloaded over here on D colon, okay, in softwares, and this is your Logix Pro V161 PLC simulator. Before extracting this RAR file, you will have to disable the antivirus if you have any. Okay, I have already disabled this antivirus. Then I am going to extract this particular file. Okay, Logix Pro V161 PLC simulator. Okay, so I am extracting over here. Setup. Okay, then I have this is an application file. You can see the application file. Setup Logix Pro simulator v1.61.exe. So you run this particular file. Okay, you run it. Next, and install it. Okay, if this file is missing, okay, you can ignore it. Then uh, we don't want to read the text me, or if you want, you can have tick on that and finish. The readme is like this. This is a readme, some information. Okay, then go to the keygen.exe file. This you will need later on. Okay, before that I have to do one thing. I have to make a notepad, one notepad, okay, new, where you can write Logix Pro register, Logixpro, space register, and save this file as a batch file, BAT file. Okay, so file save as, instead of this, make and give the name as a register dot bat. Okay, and the path should be the same seen over here. Okay, register.bat. The path is like this: C colon program files, the learning kit, the Logix Pro, and you save over here. Do you want to replace it? Already I have done it, so it is there. So I will say yes. Access is denied, no problem. So again you file save as. I am doing it on the desktop. Okay, the same thing. Name is given as register ster dot bat. Register.bat, and I am saving it on a desktop. So I will save this. Okay, I will close this. Now this is the register.bat file. I will copy this. Okay, go to the C colon. Okay, program files. You may have the program files, or you may have the program files x86. Okay, if it is x86, you go to here, go to the next folder, that is the learning kit. Okay, you can see the Logix Pro over there, and you paste it. Okay, register back, you paste it. So copy and replace, copy and replace, say continue. Then this bash file is over there. Now run this bash file, register.bat, run this. So you will get this one more logo. Now you have this. Okay, so username here and name should be same. So I am copying this DT2004. So it is Control C, and I am pasting over here Control V. Okay, here HWID here. So you can take HWID of this, that is 714C-C3F. Okay, I am going to copy this, Control C. I am pasting over here, Control V. Okay. Now HWID I have given. The username is same. Okay. Then generate a key. Now this key is generated. Now copy this entire key, complete entire key. Make it Control C and key paste over here. That is Control V. Then say OK. Then you can see that the key is valid and has been stored. Okay, and when you run the Logix Pro exe file first time, you will see the logo, Logix Pro logo over here. So say OK, delete this, open this Logix Pro and start programming. Okay, simulation, you can have the IO simulations. IO simulations, you can have the various programming parts over there. Okay, just to start with. Okay, so I will make this switch. Okay, I will make this output over here. I will give the address of this particular switch and output over here, addresses of output, that is relays. Okay, switch, this is NO switch. I will go to the online. I will download it, run it. Now whenever this switch is on, here you can see the light is on, switch is off, light is off. Okay, so you can do this. I am going to close over here. Thank you, and everybody please install this Logix Pro and have the practice. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any queries, you can directly call me or put your messages in comment box. Thank you.